Hi, welcome to our IDQ Pro tutorial series. My name is Helena, and today I'll be talking about Flatfield Correction in IDQ Pro. This feature performs Flatfield correction on the entire dataset. This post-imaging procedure cancels the effects of image artifacts caused by variations in the detector or the light sources, resulting in a more uniform or flat field output with more uniform color and brightness across the frame. To start, you'll want to open a file and then go to Data Corrections and select Flatfield Correction. A pop-up dialog will appear asking you to identify an area on the image that is flat. You'll be then given the option to draw a rectangle. As you can see, the Flatfield correction has now been complete. You'll click OK and then visualize the output image. A valid region of interest has characteristics such as topographically flat, spectrally flat or uniform spectral response, and shows a strong signal source to reduce the impact of random noise.